I would say the highlight has been to step out of the day-to-day, meet peers, have interesting keynotes, interesting breakout sessions, spend some time with people with similar problems and different solutions, just aligning on fresh input to bring back to my company.
Inspirational speeches, both yesterday afternoon and also this morning, were really great highlights. So it's impressive to see the level of this summit.
I met with a number of inspirational leaders, people, and very eager to progress, to improve. So that's quite encouraging for me, because we can see that there is huge momentum.
I will bring back to my team the experience of APIs, and through integration to RamBase system, it's really beneficial to every RamBase user to easily integrate different systems to help them with their everyday needs.